We gotta get some gas, and then we will make a barbecue and make a fool of ourselves.
And lobster.
And then lobsters. We will cook your lobsters for me. Hello, Mr. Irving, oligarch.
We're gonna support his richness.
We gotta support his richness. Oh, look at this, the empty shelves.
Yeah.
Oh, it's the end of the world as we know it, and I feel fine. Danas bi trebao bude lud dan. Kuvamo jastoge i pečemo roštilj kod Krisa u dvorištu. What did you done?
I broke the claw off.
How? Do I do the same?
Yeah, it's be careful. It's like a dinosaur. See the sharp? You gotta be careful.
Okay. So I just take the
Rip
claw
it off. Yeah.
Okay. All right, I made it.
Do you like it?
Wait.
I love lobster.
I love lobster.
You either like it or you don't.
Yeah. And
I
you
like
would know
it.
already.
I like it.
I don't like it.
Oh, I like it. It's nice. It's like it's fish, but complicated fish.
You ate?
It's done.
Hello, Cheri.